Welcome to a Making Wonder class. Today I'm going to make a simple background with some water-based inks, a paintbrush, water, and I'm going to use an acrylic block. I'm going to start with a red color. I'm going to try and make a rainbow. Just use some water and just paint your colors onto your paper. I'll just clean the acrylic block in between. The orange one a little bit more yellow than I thought it would be, but that doesn't matter. So you just keep on adding the layers of color until you are happy with your rainbow. Overlap a little bit. And if you don't like it, just start again. There's never a mistake when you are enjoying yourself. I know this is not the real colors of the rainbow, but this is the rainbow I like. One with some purple and pink at the end. You just let it dry, and then you have a very nice rainbow colored background. You can use this as a piece of matting or just a strip on a page. Use it for whatever you like. I think I must add a little bit of red at the top there. Not enough red at the top. Let's see if we can just add a little bit more red. There you go. And there's a little rainbow background for today. Rainbows always make me happy. I hope you have enjoyed this class. Till next time. Goodbye.